مصطفى مصطفى منبع.
I'm in the middle of beautiful twins, pretty Ajia collections. So I don't really think I need to ask you who you are. People following you on Instagram already know these are Pretty Ajia's collection, and they are live at To Jannah Unplug 2.0. So what are your expectations for this event?
We are expecting to meet amazing mashallah brothers and sisters, reunite, network, learn about the deen, and patronize ourselves, uplift ourselves, like to support one another.
We've known Street Jalabia for a while now, and this event, To Jannah, I was fortunate to be at the 1.0, and I'm sure this 2.0, I'm sure halal stuffs are coming our way.
I'm here because Street Jalabia actually invited me to cruise to Jannah to come and meet a whole lot of people and a whole lot of Muslimah, a whole lot of mashallah sisters and brothers, and I've been here, I've been seeing a lot, like a whole lot, like I'm so, like, even though I'm shy.
That's the vibe!
I'm seeing growth in Islam in the aspect of growing it widely from Nigeria to the world. That's why Islamic Fashion Week is also here to support the program.
This is most definitely something looking so awesome, and having Muslims converging together like this for something beneficial, one way or the other, help the Ummah as well, because it's going to be a source of encouragement for Muslims all across the world, because definitely we know the world is in a jet age, so whatever we do right now, I'm quite sure so many people are also watching, and I believe it's going to be awesome. It's going to be lovely.
I've seen a whole lot, like a whole lot.
How do you feel seeing them? How do you feel?
I feel overwhelmed, like.
What does modesty mean to you?
Well, modesty is simply you living a kind of life that would not be at the detriment of your fellow humans. Whatever it is that is not causing any harm to your fellow human, for me, is modesty.
The advice I would give to Muslims is that everything we would want to do, there is something we call the youthful exuberance, things which we know is going to take us out of the fold of Islam. We should always be conscious as Muslims.
Election time, gonna wait till they say, follow each other, talk to that. No go join street gang where we say, now we go to snatch ballot box, now we go to come out cutlass, now we go to fight for area. Say we serve one job politics money, and make we know they far from our politicians.
Alone you, alone you, alone you, alone you. Mango they hustle every day, so wahala. There is no dignity in glorifying Sakwa. That's why I don't mean say make you go do pass your power.
So here is the roundtable session. In this sojourn of trying to seek for money, how do we marry it?
I think in marrying, seeking dunya to having peace, the first thing you need to understand is that wallahi, you would not have anything more than what Allah has decreed for you.
Allahu Akbar.
On this scout game, this scout they watch how fast you dey. Abi now?
Yes, how
you
fast
guys
you are.
answer your question
very
sharply.
fast.
What was the first masjid Prophet Muhammad built? Wetin be the answer? Nabawi, Kuba, Aqsa, Masjid al-Haram. Oh yeah, mo see the answer. Now only 8 people get am correct.
حن قلبي له فاض شوقا إليه ليس أرجو سوى شربة من يديه الصلاة عليه والسلام عليه كان في.
As we dey street smart, make we dey deen smart.
We should also be doing smart.
As we dey street smart, we should be doing smart.
We should be doing smart.
As we dey street smart, make we dey deen smart.